guys, this is Felicia from Poly Vegan Kitchen, and today we're making an island favorite, roti. The ingredients you'll need are flour, salt, oil, and hot water. Take your flour, salt, and oil, mix it together. Add your hot water, make it into a dough, knead for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want your dough to be soft but pliable. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now you want to split your dough, form it into a ball, roll it out, and place it onto a hot skillet. You'll see that the roti will puff up. This is how you know you got it right. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy your roti with some curry and rice. Let's see how my son likes it.
This roti is yummy.
Thanks again for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We upload a new video every Monday. And remember, no matter where you are on this journey, there's always room for you right here on our table at Poly Vegan Kitchen.